Guys, welcome back to the Brutal Investor channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. In this episode, we're going to talk about an interesting project that, in my opinion, has a good potential in the future. And this project is called the Biswap token or the BSW token, right? Again, as always, guys, I highly recommend you guys to do your own research on any of the projects we cover on our channel. And for this project, I recommend you guys to go to the website biswap.org in order to learn more about this project, right? But before we talk about Biswap, I want to talk to you guys about Gateio. Gateio is a centralized exchange that is known for listing low market cap gem tokens way before they get listed on any major centralized exchanges such as Binance or Coinbase. What this means is if you have a Gateio account and if you buy the low market cap tokens, you stand a chance to make 10, 20, 50 or even 100x gains on these cryptos. If you don't have a Gateio account, I suggest you to use the link in the description or the link on the screen right now to set up your account today, and this will allow you to buy these low market cap tokens and make a 100x, potentially 100x gains on this crypto. And also it gives you about 30% trading fee rebate on any of the trades that you make, right? And by using the link in the description to sign up, you're also supporting the Brutal Investor channel, for which I thank you in advance. So going back to the Biswap token, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to rely on the information presented on CoinMarketCap's page along with the information presented on the website itself. But this is only going to be a peripheral analysis, which means you need to do your own in-depth research before you put your hard-earned money on this token, right? So what is Biswap? Biswap is a decentralized exchange or a DEX for BEP20 tokens on Binance Smart Chain. Biswap promises the lowest transaction fees of any Binance Smart Chain exchange at 0.1% and vows to be committed to innovation in DeFi through its high quality products and services. So, as the name implies, similar to Uniswap, Biswap is also a decentralized exchange or a decentralized automated market maker on the Binance Smart Chain. So the BSW token, which is the native token, is a BEP20 token. So you guys need to bear that in mind, right? So what Biswap aims to do is it promises low transaction fees, lowest basically of any exchange on the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem, and it provides 0.1%, right, of the in the form of exchange fees, which is one of the lowest in the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem, and it provides innovation in DeFi and provides high quality products and services on the platform, right? So you guys definitely need to use this platform at least once because they have a lot of things going on. I'll show you the website in a few seconds, but it's a pretty cool and extremely compact website where you can do a lot of things in DeFi as well as trade different tokens with extremely low fees, right? So its referral system allows users to invite others and receive referral fees from farms, launch pools, swaps, and a lottery. So they have a referral system and you can invite your friends using your referral link and receive referral fees from farms, launch pools, swaps, and a lottery. So instead of getting only one stream of referral income, you get multiple streams of referral income by using your referral link from Biswap, right? So Biswap's core products include the standard DEX functions like an AMM, liquidity pools, yield farming, and NFT marketplace, and an IDO Launchpad. So as I said, they have a jam-packed website which includes not just an AMM DEX but also liquidity pools, yield farming, and NFTs in one single place along with an IDO Launchpad, right? So you have all of these features that you can take advantage of just by using their platform, right? So in its roadmap, Biswap targets the following: listing on major crypto exchanges, improvements of its NFT marketplace, cross-chain support, limit orders, lending and borrowing, a personal user dashboard, and a swap referral program. So again, these are all some of the targets that it's aiming to achieve pretty soon. Obviously, a lot of the features are already available. If you go to the website, you can clearly see that a lot of these lists are already achieved, which makes this project a really reliable project because they claim something and they achieve it right away. and a lot of other things that are not yet available will be available soon, right? Furthermore, Biswap announces a $10 million global incentive program to collaborate with other Binance Smart Chain projects. So not only that, they are also trying to collaborate with as many projects as they can on the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem, for which they have allocated a $10 million global incentive program, right? Which is pretty cool and really bullish on this project. Partners can expect a 90% fee reimbursement, farming pass with BSW, a launch pool, marketing promotion, and grants for security audits and project development. So if you are a project that wants to integrate with Biswap, what will you get as a benefit? You get about 90% fee reimbursement, which is pretty cool. You also get farming pairs with BSW, which is the native token, which also increases the utility of the token itself. And you get a launch pool. You also get marketing promotions and grants for security audits and project development. So these are all some of the functionalities that are available for projects that want to partner with Biswap, right? So the next section talks about the founders of Biswap, which I'm going to skip because it's not relevant for this video. So let's go to the most important section, which says what makes Biswap unique. So why would you choose to invest in the Biswap token, right? So first and foremost, Biswap tries to stand out with its lowest transaction fees with other decentralized exchanges. So obviously they are trying to focus on the lowest transaction fees, which is kind of like the highlight of their platform. So by using their platform, you get one of the lowest transaction fees in the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem, right? For example, Biswap claims that it levies only a 0.1% fee compared to 0.25% fee on PancakeSwap, 0.3% fee on MDEX, ApeSwap, and other BSC DEXs. So obviously they have provided direct comparisons between PancakeSwap, which is the most popular decentralized exchange on the Binance Smart Chain, and with other exchanges such as MDEX and ApeSwap and other DEXs as well, which are also popular. So compared to those exchanges, Biswap only levies a 0.1% fee, which is significantly lower, right? So that's pretty cool. And 0.05% is returned to liquidity providers as a reward, and 0.05% is used for BSW token burning. So the 0.1% fee actually goes to two main use cases. So the first 0.05% goes to people who obviously hold liquidity within their platform as a liquidity provision reward, and the other 0.05% is used for BSW token burning, which makes BSW a very interesting deflationary token, right? Biswap reserves the right to increase this fee in the future and add an allocation to the team. So obviously, since they are the lowest, they are charging the lowest transaction fee of any DEX on Binance Smart Chain, they could technically increase the fee to a slightly higher amount, and the remaining amount that they're charging could go to the team, right? However, it promises to keep the fee lower than the industry average. Again, obviously they're trying to keep the lowest fee possible in the industrial average, right? So those are some of the key reasons. Users can engage in transaction fee mining, meaning they can receive up to 90% of the fee swap fee of 0.1% depending on the trading pair. So depending on the trading pair, you basically get back your money in the form of transaction fee mining, which means you can basically get up to 90% of your swap fee of the 0.1% that you pay, right? In addition, they can provide liquidity to pools and earn BSW farming rewards. Obviously, like if you have a liquidity pool, you can provide liquidity to that and get the native token rewards as a reward, right? Another important feature of Biswap is its NFT marketplace that allows users to purchase NFTs using 4 cryptocurrencies: BNB, USDT, BUSD, and wrapped BNB. So obviously they are also having an NFT marketplace within their platform itself, which is pretty cool. And you can basically use 4 cryptocurrencies: BNB, USDT, BUSD, as well as wrapped BNB, to purchase NFTs and sell NFTs on their NFT platform, right? The Biswap lottery is a lottery where users can win substantial BSW prizes for participating. Each user can purchase an unlimited number of tokens, with 80% being redistributed to the prize pool. So obviously they also have gambling features as well. which is in the form of Biswap lottery, right? So Biswap also has its own NFT called NFT Urn, consisting of an NFT Launchpad, an NFT staking pool, and NFT boost, and an NFT level upgrade. So they have its own NFTs called the NFT Urn, which is its own unique product compared to other platforms. Users can buy so-called Robbie NFTs and stake or boost them to make a profit. So you can get or buy Robbie NFTs within their platform and stake those NFTs and or boost them to make a profit. So you can do that by either selling for a higher price instead of either staking it, or if you want, you can stake it and gain more benefits as well, right? Finally, Biswap provides an IDO launchpad that allows other blockchain projects to launch their tokens through Biswap. So if you want to participate in IDOs, you can participate through their platform as well, where other projects can launch their tokens on their on Biswap's platform, right? The DEX claims it has more than 300,000 active DEX users and incentivizes new projects to participate with its 10 million incentive program. So they're obviously kind of like a fast growing DEX on the Binance Smart Chain with over 300,000 active users, and they're incentivizing new projects by providing them with incentive programs such as the $10 million incentive program, right? So these are some of the main reasons why Biswap could be a really good project in the future. So the most important question, apart from why you would need to focus on Biswap, is that how is Biswap network secured? So since Biswap is a part of the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem, it is secured because of the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem itself, which is a relatively secure blockchain with no real issues so far. And it obviously uses the proof of stake consensus mechanism, the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem itself, and provides reliable security, for the platform itself, right? So Biswap also has a bug bounty program, which helps people identify bugs and report to Biswap. You can also earn between $10 and $100,000 for reporting bugs, depending on the security issue. Obviously, if you are a developer and if you can identify security issues, you can definitely let them know and earn somewhere between $10 to $100,000, right? So that's pretty much a quick overview of Biswap itself. Let's go to their website, which is biswap.org, and if you see, they have a pretty cool website. Right off the bat, you can clearly see that they are warning the users to be very careful, because Biswap, due to its fast growing nature, has attracted a lot of scammers, and their only official website is biswap.org, right? So be very careful of that. So the first DEX on Binance BNB chain, or a Binance Smart Chain, with a 3-type referral system. So they have a really good referral system, which is quite unique to their platform. Enjoy profitable yield farming and exchanging with the lowest fees in DeFi space. Trade now, the lowest trade fee in the DeFi space, again 0.1%. Exchange fee reimbursement of up to 90%. Total value lock is more than $300,000, and total trading volume is $34 million of trading volume, right? And the BSW token itself is available on their platform that you can basically buy with different cryptocurrencies. Obviously, Binance Labs has announced a strategic investment on Biswap, which makes this project a very high likely project to be listed on Binance, right? So you can definitely participate in multiple other incentives platform as well, including earning BTCB or Bitcoin on the Binance Smart Chain by staking your BSW. So you have a lot of benefits here, including the fact that they are supporting the Ukraine Emergency Relief Fund, which is also pretty cool. So if you scroll below, you can clearly see some of the pools and farms that they have. Earn BSW plus fees in farms, so you can earn BSW tokens by providing liquidity on these farms. They have a wide variety of liquidity pools which you can supply liquidity to. If you want to participate in the launch pool, you can earn BSW or other tokens by staking BSW, right? So it's a pretty cool feature as well. So if you scroll below, they have multiple different benefits. It's a 3-type referral system, the lowest exchange fees, as well as providing trade fee reimbursement, as well as having competitions, and they have gamifications as well. And if you see, total volume is $34.04 billion is kind of conducted on their platform. 24-hour volume is $55.10 million, and active users is about 405,000 active users, which is quite high, and it's increasing on a rapid pace. Trading fee saved of about $81.69 million, right? And if you see, LP earned is $17.02 million. So pretty good numbers right off the bat. So reviews from reputable crypto resources. So they have received reviews including Binance Labs as well as BSC News as well. And obviously they are showing off the fact that they are invested by Binance Labs, which definitely increases the chance that they could get the Binance listing, right? So obviously Binance Smart Chain is known as BNB Chain, so they are partnered with Binance Labs, BNB Chain, Binance NFT, Coin Market Cap, and so on and so forth. If you see, there's a lot of investors who are backing this project, so therefore this is a really good project to look into, right? And if you see, BSW itself is trading at 32 cents per token at the time of making this video, which we'll cover shortly. So here are some of the tokenomics which we'll also cover, but this is kind of like the quick overview. And at the bottom you can clearly see their community page where you can be a part of their community, right? So that pretty much covers this project. As I said, it's a very jam-packed project with a lot of things happening on in one platform, and it has a high potential to get listed on Binance as well, right? So going back to the coin market cap page for this token is currently ranked 460th by market cap on coin market cap, and is currently trading at 41.5 cents at the time of making this video, with 11.02% increase the past 24 hours. Again, obviously this token has been increasing because of the fact that it is available to be earned for free on the Binance Smart Chain. So if you don't want to buy this token, you can technically earn this token for free, and I'll tell you how you can earn this token for free by the end of this video, right? So obviously the fact that you can earn this token for free right from today onwards has increased the price of this token, which will also cause a dump once a lot of people have gotten their hands on their free BSW tokens, which will cause a price slumping in the short term, right? But if you take a look at the market cap for a project that aims to do so much, which has so many things going on in their platform, the fact that it's only worth $79.5 million is extremely low, and therefore I feel like this project is $1 billion market cap in the next few years, which is definitely possible, because even though it's only available on Binance Smart Chain right now or BNB Chain right now, it will expand to multiple other chains, which will make this a really valuable project to look into, because they have a lot of things going on, right? So the market cap is definitely undervalued in my personal opinion. When it comes to the max supply itself, the token has a max supply of 700 million tokens, which is quite high, out of which only 27% of the tokens are in circulation. It's still better compared to projects that have 1 or 10 billion tokens as a max supply, but it's still not that great because you need to have some scarcity built into the system, right? But as you see from their website, you can actually stake BSW tokens, which takes the tokens from circulating supply, and you can also provide liquidity. You can also do a lot of things by locking your tokens up on their platform, which will definitely increase the price of this token in the long term, regardless of its max supply, right? But in the short term, there's going to be definite price slumping, which will definitely be affecting a lot of early investors. So be very careful about that. I think the tokenomics is kind of like the bad thing about this project. Everything else is really strong about this project, right? So going to the charts itself, you can clearly see that this token is at its all-time lows right now. It's kind of trying to rebound from its all-time lows, but this is probably the best time to buy this token if you are looking to buy this token, right? I cannot financial advice, please do your own research. The initial price of this token was 97 cents as of July 2021. It went down, reaching a low of about 76 cents per token, but then gradually climbed, reaching an all-time highs of about $2.34 as of 21st of August 2021, and then it instantly kind of like crashed down, reaching a price of about 39 cents or even 38 cents as an all-time low price point as of 12th of October 2021, and then from there it went on to make new all-time highs of close to $2.55 per token as of December 8th 2021, and then it went down to its current all-time low price point of 36 cents per token, and now it's slowly trying to rebound, right? Even though this project has been rebounding, it is still significantly far away from its all-time highs of $2.54, which means this token has a huge potential. You're basically buying this token at its all-time low. So even if you buy this token at this price point when it's 11% high in the past 24 hours, you are still, in the grand scheme of things, buying it at its all-time lower price points, which means you're definitely going to make a lot of money once this token pumps, right? But again, not financial advice. Please do your own research before you put your hard-earned money on this token, right? When it comes to the Bitcoin comparative itself, you can clearly see that this token has pretty much the similar pattern to dollar comparative. It was initially worth 2300 satoshis per token as of 2nd of July, and then it went down and then moved to a new all-time highs of about 3800 satoshis per token as of 21st of August 2021, and then it kind of crashed to an all-time lows of about 4800 satoshis per token before rebounding to a new all-time highs of 40,000 satoshis per token before going down to an all-time lows of about relative lows of about 8,200 satoshis per token, right? Again, it seems like this token is at its all-time lows or close to its all-time lows, which means it's the best opportunity to buy this token from Bitcoin comparative. But since Bitcoin itself is volatile, I would suggest you to hold off on the Bitcoin comparative and focus on the dollar comparative, right? But again, please do your own research before you put your money on this token. When it comes to the markets itself, this token is obviously listed on PancakeSwap, but you can pretty much buy this token from Biswap itself, because that's basically where most of the liquidity is coming from. And if you see, the only centralized exchange that has listed this token is MEXC, which means there's a really high possibility that Binance could list this project, because there is there's no real major centralized exchanges that which definitely can list this project pretty soon because of the Binance Labs investment on this project, right? So I would suggest you to buy this token from MEXC if you want a centralized exchange, because that's the only option that you have, or Biswap itself, which is probably the best option to get a lot of incentives. And in fact, if you don't even want to buy this project, I can tell you a way to buy this project, which is basically by taking some of your cake tokens and staking it in the PancakeSwap pool for BSW tokens, right? So if you have some cake tokens, you can earn about 106.34% APR passively by staking your cake tokens in the BSW pool, syrup pool, right? So earn passively from PancakeSwap, and what you can do is, still you do your own research, you can earn this token passively from PancakeSwap, right? Again, this doesn't really last for more than 2 to 3 months, so be very careful. But even 3 months period of time is still a good time to earn some significant amount of BSW tokens, considering the fact that you can stake up to 100 cake tokens in the pool, right? So what's my final verdict on this token, guys? I think this token has some really high potential. Its tokenomics is definitely going to hurt this token for the short term, but in the long term, as long as this project can become multi-chain, this project has everything going for it. It has NFTs, Launchpad, IDOs, launch pools, liquidity pools, and so on and so forth, which is definitely going to bring this token price to the moon, right? I think in the upcoming months, this project will pump to a new all-time highs of close to $3 per token, which is definitely possible. And in the long term, which is 3 to 5 years from now, this project can easily cross the $10 mark, which is a high possibility, considering the fact that a lot of its price slumping due to its tokenomics will be fading away in the next 3 to 5 years from now, right? Which is definitely bullish for me. So you can definitely earn this token for free on PancakeSwap currently by staking some cake tokens, right? Again, going back to Gateio, guys, if you want to buy this token or any low market cap gem tokens, even though this token is not available in Gateio right now, you can buy similar low market cap gem tokens way before many centralized exchanges can list this token from Gateio, right? So by using the link in the description to sign up for your account, you are getting a chance to make some really good gains, and you also have a 30% trading fee rebate, which will help you with your trades and will also support the Brutal Investor channel as well, for which I thank you in advance, right? Again, remember guys, you guys are not regular investors, you guys are brutal investors, so stay brutal. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.